Good morning, students. My name is Poonam Agarwal and I am from KVCRPF Mukamagad. I welcome you all to today's English class. Today we will be discussing a new chapter, that is Princess September, and this chapter is written by Somerset Maugham. In this chapter, we will discuss about a princess who belongs to Thailand. Thailand initially was known as Siam, and here that place is known by the name Siam. Princess September have 8 other sisters, and all of them are given a gift of a parrot by their father, the king. And the parrot of Princess September dies for some reasons, and she becomes all alone until a bird comes to her and impresses her with its singing, and both of them become friends. Now we'll start. The king and queen of Siam had many daughters, and the queen said that it confused her to have to remember so many names. Now, the king and queen of Siam means Thailand. In those days, now we can see that in many countries there is elected government. There are presidents, prime ministers. Very few countries have kings. Concept of kings nowadays, but at that time there used to be. And the king and queen of Thailand, they have many daughters, 9 daughters, and the queen said that it is difficult for her to remember the name of her so many daughters. One day the king decided to call them January, February, March, though of course in Siamese, till he came to the youngest whom he called September. So the king, in order to solve the queen's problem, decided to name their daughters on the basis of month's name, and they were named as January, February, and so on. The king of Siam had a peculiar habit. Instead of receiving gifts on his birthday, he gave them. Now, this king of Siam had a peculiar means strange. The meaning of the word peculiar is strange. He had a strange habit, because his habit is called strange because in our birthdays we receive gifts. Other people, our family, friends, relatives, they give us gift, and but the king of Siam used to give gifts to others on his birthday. One year on his birthday, not having anything else handy, he gave each of his daughters a green parrot in a golden case. Now, one year, once in a birthday, he had nothing immediately available with him, so he decided to gift his daughters a green parrot in a golden case. The princesses were very proud of their parrots, and they spent an hour every day in teaching them to talk. All the princesses loved their parrots very much, and they felt very proud of their parrots. And each of them, they used to talk to their parrots and used to teach them few things. Presently, all the parrots could say, "God save the king," and some of them could say, "Pretty Polly," in no less than 7 Oriental languages. Now, all the parrots could say, "God save the king." Now, we all know that the people in a kingdom, in a palace, they are taught to praise the king. They keep on saying these things, "May you live long," and all these things. So here, the parrots are taught to say, "God save the king," because these parrots are gifted by the king himself. So they used to repeat the line, "God save the king." And some of the parrots could say, "Pretty Polly." Polly is a pet name given to parrots, and Pretty Polly is a traditional phrase taught to the parrots. And some of them could say Pretty Polly in less than 7 Oriental languages. Oriental is the language of the eastern countries. Like the world is east and west we have. So the languages of the east are known as Oriental languages, whereas the western part is known as Occident and Oriental. So Oriental includes the language of Asian countries, and the parrot could speak Pretty Polly in less than 7 languages. But one day Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot. She found it lying dead at the bottom of its golden case. Now, all the 9 daughters were given a parrot in a golden case by the king, because he used to gift everyone on his birthday, and that year he didn't have anything handy, anything immediately available, and so he gifted them parrot. All of them were very happy with the parrot. They were very proud of the parrot. They used to spend at least 1 hour a day teaching their parrots to speak God Save the King and Pretty Polly. But unfortunately, Princess September once went to say good morning to her parrot one morning, and she found that it was lying dead in its cage. She burst into a flood of tears, and nothing that her maids of honor could say comforted her. Now she started crying intensely, and she couldn't forget that her parrot is dead, is no more. She cried so much that the maids of honor, not knowing what to do, told the queen, and the queen said it was stuff and nonsense, and the child had better to go to bed without any supper. Now, the maids of honor who were there to look after Princess September, they told the queen that Princess September is crying. She is mourning the death of the parrot, and queen found it unreasonable to cry, and it is nonsense to cry over a dead parrot because she can get a new parrot also. And she was asked to go to bed without having anything, without having her supper. The maids of honor wanted to go to a party, so they put Princess September to bed as quickly as they could and left her by herself. Now the maids of honor, they were in a hurry because they had to go to a party, so they put Princess September on to bed, and they didn't worry about that she had not eaten anything, and she left her Princess September by herself. And Princess September is very sensitive, and she is very emotional over the death of her parrot. And while she lay in her bed, crying still, even though she felt rather hungry, she saw a little bird hop into her room. And she was lying in her bed, she was crying continuously, she was also feeling hungry. At that time, she saw a little bird has come into her room jumping. She wiped her tears and sat up. Then the little bird began to sing, and he sang a beautiful song all about the lake in the king's garden and the willow trees that looked at themselves in the still water and the goldfish that glided in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. Now she wiped her tears at once. She sat up and she looked at the little bird. The little bird started when the little bird noticed that Princess September had sat up. It started singing a beautiful song about the lake that was there in the king's garden and the willow tree and the goldfish that was there in the lake. And the branches of the tree were reflected in the lake, and the goldfish were jumping, gliding, moving on it. And the bird sang about the lake, the reflection of the branches of the willow tree, and the goldfish gliding on the branches. When he had finished, the princess was not crying anymore, and she quite forgot that she had no supper. That was a very nice song, she said. Now, when the song was ended, the princess was very happy. She was delighted by the song of the bird, and she was not crying anymore, and she forgot that she was hungry few minutes before. And she said to the bird, she appreciated the bird by saying that yes, you have sung a very nice song. So we have discussed about how the king and queen of Thailand, they had 9 daughters. They named it after the months, and the king had a strange habit of gifting on his birthday. And one particular birthday, he gifted green parrot in a golden case. And prince, all of them were very happy, and they used to teach to say God Save the King and Pretty Polly until Princess September lost her parrot, and she was in mourning until she was cheered up by a bird.